Welcome to Bob Pulte Chevrolet social media channels. This will be going up on YouTube and Instagram. This vehicle is pre-sold ordered unit, but we haven't had too many Trailblazers come through, and I wanted to give you an idea of what some of the LTs look like. This is a black 2023 black all-wheel drive LT. A couple of the features I like. One, I'm not going to be getting inside the vehicle. It just came off the truck. They still haven't taken all the plastic out. It still has to go through the new car inspection. A couple things I do like about this one: the 17-inch black machined aluminum wheels. Once again, as you guys know, I would love to have this blacked out with the emblems, the chevrons, but yeah, it's not a perfect world. It's going to have the matching black top once we get the white plastic off there from transport mode. This one does MSRP at $27,185. We are honoring GM employee and supplier pricing, of course, all other incentives that people could possibly qualify for. This one does have the 7-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. No need to have navigation. You can run Waze, Google Maps, things like that onto the touchscreen there. It does have a power driver's seat, 10-way. A few nice safety features: the auto emergency braking. Thankfully, I had that a week ago. We won't go into it. You just got to be careful with distracted driving. Forward collision alert and a backup camera, among many other nice features. I'll have a link below. It'll be up there for a couple days. Customer is taking delivery of this tomorrow night. And if you have any questions, please give us a call at 513-932-0303. Thank you and have a great day.